My dear brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and today we're going to be making a very special apple pie by way of homage to autumn. Somehow apple pie and the approach of colder weather seem congenial and synonymous. So we're going to begin, but of course with a mango. This is a mango from Mexico. Okay. Here's this beautiful, luscious mango. How was that? And then, why not add a banana for texture, body, and smoothness? So we'll add a banana. And now, some Gravenstein apples. Gravenstein is a California classic. It goes back over 150 years. They're grown mainly in Sonoma County, just north of here. It's a gorgeous, delightful apple, a part of California history, just gorgeous fruit. So let's chop up a few apples. And now let's add a bit of spring water. Okay. And now we have these gorgeous purple sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have been much talked about in natural food circles of late for their health-giving qualities. So here we've chopped them up into small little pieces. Now let's give that. Okay. And now, how about we have these beautiful California carrots? They're just gorgeous. We've chopped them up into manageable sizes, and here we go. And now for the fun, our alive organic almond butter. But of course, made from almonds grown by a very special California farming family of 5 generations on the land. Now, the almonds are grown in fertile soil in the Great Central Valley. It was once an inland sea. And they're watered by the runoff of melting snow in the high Sierra Mountains. But then there's a very special ingredient, and that's intentionality. The intentionality of an almond growing family of 5 generations on the land. What can compare? So here we go. Let's give this a generous heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter. And then for rich, creamy smoothness, how about our cashew butter? It goes so well, it is so congenial with everything. Okay. And now our call of the wild honey. Vermont maple syrup. Maybe a pinch of cinnamon, pinch of vanilla powder, and of course our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. We're adding the salt to elicit and bring out and heighten all the flavors. Here we have it. Now let's put all this in a pie dish. And how about sprinkling on top some sliced almonds. And here we have it, our mango, purple sweet potato, apple pie. And we dedicate this to our fellow Americans. Our fellow Americans who, according to the most recent statistics, 65% of adults here and 15% of children and adolescents are either overweight or obese. A total of over 80% of us overweight or obese. Imagine that, what we've done to ourselves. So by way of reply, we are bringing to your attention an alive, organic apple pie. Let us go forward, brothers and sisters, our privilege to share with you. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below. You might even wish to give us a like. And your comments, criticisms, and suggestions are treasured by us. Let us go forward. Let us go forward, brothers and sisters, our privilege to share. Thank you indeed.